We all love big screens to fit all our stuffs and see more of what we are doing. And it becomes more likable if the size of the phone is same as the size of your fist. Assalamu alaikum successful people around there. I am Ashraf and so guys, iPhone SE2 is around the corner. I mean, yes, if Apple decides to launch it. So iPhone SE was a great success around the time when it was launched, and it is now as well. Yes, people are still buying iPhone SE in 2018. And my message to you guys, please do not buy iPhone SE in 2018. Please. Just don't buy a 4-year-old phone just for the logo. Apple logo, come on, it's not worth it. But this video is for all of you Apple fans out there who are willing to buy iPhone SE. Still, if you want to buy an iPhone SE, I would say wait and have a look at what iPhone SE2 is going to offer. Now, before jumping on to the actual video, I would like to say that this is not an accurate informative video, I would say, as there is no specific specs revealed yet, or I don't even think that iPhone SE2 will be launched. But there are a few things which me and few of the other respective creators have assumed and wanted to see in iPhone SE2, which is that notch design and edge-to-edge display in iPhone SE's body, which means we can expect a good battery life out of it. But to be inferior than iPhone 10, it may not have Face ID, and I highly doubt it will have an Touch ID, as Apple is not going to bring the Touch ID back until it's in-display Touch ID. I highly doubt it. Huge battery, as the thickness of the phone will increase as it is an iPhone SE2 body. So we can expect a huge battery. Apple, please. On the performance side, Apple A10 and A11 Bionic chipset will be a good choice as it will be launched in 2018. So the standard also should be in the 2018 level, or else it will be a phone which will only be made to take the kidneys away from you guys. Because I am not going to buy it. I mean, if the chipset is not up to 2018 standard. Design wise, glass back and aluminum sides will be a good choice, as glass back will accommodate wireless charging as well. And if there will be wireless charging, we expect fast charging as well. And please provide the fast charger in the box. Now, this was a quick list of what me and other respective creators want to see and assume that it will happen in iPhone SE2. But I highly doubt that this will be going to happen anytime soon, as Apple do not want any direct competitor from themselves itself to their current market king, which is iPhone 10. And I highly doubt it is a market king. I highly doubt it. And if Apple decides to launch it as well, you cannot imagine the price. What will be the price? And the price will be out of our budget as usual, and the kidney squad will be running to the hospitals to sell their kidney off to buy a new iPhone. Sometimes I wonder how many kidneys do an average iPhone user has. Well, jokes aside, iPhone SE2 may not happen as Apple doesn't give us all the features and king-like treatment. But there is a higher possibility that there may be an alternative to iPhone SE2, as the recent leaks and rumors suggest that there will be 3 variants of iPhones launching this year. So about the 3 variants of iPhone launching this year will be an iPhone mini, an the iPhone 10 normal variant, and there will be an iPhone Plus model. So the iPhone mini model may be an iPhone SE2 or an alternative to iPhone SE2. So even if Apple decides to launch iPhone SE2 but in the same design and form factor of original iPhone SE, would you still put your money and buy that phone? Let me know in the comment section below. So now like the video and share the video with your friends and family. Leave your suggestion in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing future content. Don't forget the bell icon. Watch some of my previous video. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.